Welcome to episode 3 of the kid tutorial.
What are we making today?
Let me give you a hint. What is our favorite family dinner?
Tacos!
Yep, and what's the best thing about the taco?
The tortillas!
Yep, today we're making corn tortillas from scratch.
Why are we scratching our tortillas?
We're not scratching our tortillas. We're making them from scratch. That means we're making them homemade.
Okay, let's do it. How many ingredients do we need? 2. Only 2?
Yep, that's what makes it so kid-approved. We need corn masa flour and water.
That's it? Are you sure?
Yeah, can we just get up and cook already?
Okay, but I'm still not sure I believe you.
How dare you! All we need to do is mix the masa flour with the water. We'll need 3.5 cups of masa
And 2.5 cups of water.
Now we'll just add it and then stir until it's like a dough.
Let's just add this. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be
And then we'll just stir. Stir. Stirring is like a family tradition because that's like the only thing to make it all stirred. Wait, that doesn't make sense.
It really doesn't. Now I'm trying to take it all and put it into a ball.
I'm just going to take my thumb around the walls to get the extra dough so we can use all of it.
Now that we have made our ball, we will put it in this bag and let it sit for 15 minutes.
Big ball of dough. Oh my goodness. Oh, yes, success. Success. Okay, and then put all the extra that got onto the counter or table
I'm
back in it.
getting a little bit of extra dough from the inside.
And you can get like extra dough from the inside that's underneath the ball. We can make our very own taco cat.
Yummy!
We can make our own taco cat. Now we're gonna take a small ball out of the dough. As you can see, it's like this big. And we'll put it on our tortilla press. You don't need a tortilla press. It just makes it a lot easier for us. We'll show you where to buy it in a link below.
Now we are going to press it.
Press it. Press it like you're a mighty warrior.
This kind of is hard. Well, not really hard, but I just kind of just said that for some reason.
And then we'll have to take it off very lightly.
Yes.
So that it does not rip.
So we're taking off very lightly so that.
And here we go. And then now we will put it on our grill and bake it for about 1 minute on each side. Now keep on repeating until you've done all of your tacos. Now we are gonna put our tortilla in a wet paper towel so that it stays warm. And then fold it around. And there you go, here's a taco, folks.
Do you think I can flip this in the air? Tortilla?
What? Oh! Look at our yummy tortillas. Now it's time for a taste test. Oh my goodness, should have known that was gonna happen. We should stop saying taste test. Thanks for watching. Press down below to subscribe.